ano? Kung anong mas magandang kanta, nakalimutan ko yung title niya, pero mamimili ka ng song.
Untouchable, 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 untouchable.
Girls like you go around with guys like me to sundown when I come through.
I just like this song. So here, dito tayo. Dito tayo kasama.
Okay, let's go.
Meron naka-open mic. I killed one. Oh my god. Ano ba? Ay, kakampi ko pala siya. Yay. Isa na lang.
Girls like you go around with guys like me to sundown when I come through.
Sorry. Starting a new game. Ano naman kayang kanta? I don't know that song, so... Oh, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko rin kilala. Kilala ko lang si Lady Gaga. So, dito tayo. Feeling ko dalawa lang kanta. Yay. Likot naman na ito. Kanina pa ito siya. Ayan. Matay ka na. Mag-isa ka na lang eh. Yeah.
Take it easy, they laugh and tell me no. It's cool, but I don't see them laughing at my
Hindi tayo pamilya sa kantang yan.
You look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself.
Of course, dito tayo. Of course, Justin Bieber. Oh my god, it's a tree. Bottle of... Ano, parang namamatay na ako. Hindi siya gumagalaw. Nag-take advantage tayo sa hindi gumagalaw. Ah! Yay!
You look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself.
My only love.
Alam na. Alam na kung saan. Uy, may kasama ako. Hi there. Hi there. Hindi ko alam yung follow. Ay, familiar, pero hindi ko alam. Eh. Wala, talo kami. Talo kami ng tatlong yun. Ah, namatay ako. Okay lang, may nakuha naman tayo 23. It's okay. Ay! After round pa pala. No, manalo sana si Lee. Ay, may dalawa pa kami kakampi ko. No! Okay lang. Okay lang? Okay lang. Next.
It's not the same as it was.
How can we rewrite the style? I like Harry style, pero dito tayo. Very iconic. How can we rewrite the style? Say this. Tagal ah. Naunahan niya akong patayin. Nakakaasa. Try natin bumili. Ano makukuha natin? No! fish. Sige, gamitin natin siya. For the aesthetic. Ay, panis. Panis, para siyang bangus. Papaksiwin kitang pag natalo tayo. Mas familiar ako sa kantang to kaysa doon. Sana may pumili. Sana may pumili doon. Pero feeling ko, oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Buli niyo. Patay. Okay, last one.
We built this house on memory.
It's very iconic.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum.
I'll take red. Ay, dito tayo sa red. Dito tayo sa red. Well, I like Justin, but I'm not a fan of that song. Kaya dito tayo. Dito tayo.
We built this house
Kung ako nandun, talo talaga.